Hello. Today we're going to be looking for a blackbird. There are lots and lots of different coloured birds in the world, but we're going to be looking for the blackbird. We start by going outside. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. The sun is shining. There's a row of houses in the distance. People must live there. Aren't they colourful? There's a green house with a red roof, and here's a yellow house with a green door and a yellow chimney. Here is a tree and a blue house with a purple roof. And over here is an orange house with a pink roof and a green door. But I can't see any birds at all. Oh, here's a tree. Are there any birds in the tree? Yes, here's a bird. Oh, but it's a red bird. It's a red bird with green wings and a green tail. Not the one we're looking for. Oh, here's another tree. It's a very, very green leafy tree. But there are no birds. Oh, no, hold on. Here's a bird flying nearby. It's a green bird. Green. Not the one we're looking for today. What else can we see? A little boy standing here with a blue shirt and grey shorts. He's got brown boots. And not far away from him is an orange bird. It's got pink wings and a blue eye. Not the one we're looking for today. Are there any more birds? Oh yes, here's one. A brown bird with grey wings. Very lovely looking bird, but not the one we're looking for today. Where is the blackbird? Oh, here's another bird standing on the roof of the house. How funny. It's a green bird, slightly different green from the other one. I really don't know where the blackbird. Hold on. There it is, sitting in the tree. Didn't see it before. It's a black bird. Yes, indeed. Yes, it is. A black bird. Well, there we are. Lots and lots of birds on a beautiful day. How much fun is that?